Now, welcome everybody. Let us start the last exercise from the question number 16 up to question number 15 we had taken yesterday. Now, we are given a square upon 2 minus b cube upon 3 is equal to log c. A square's value they had given log x, b cube's value they had given log y, other terms are as it is. This upon 2 can be written as 1 upon 2 log x, this upon 3 can be written 1 upon 3 log y as it is. This is multiplication to become power, this is the multiplication to become power. This is log m minus n, that is log m upon n. These are equal, both are log, same base is not with base same, mostly it is 10. So this is equal to c, so that is your answer. Again, please listen. They had given the value of a square and b cube and they are asking find the value of c. So I am saying that let us write the question which is give the value of c. Let us substitute value of a square, value of b cube and rest as it is. This upon 2 can be written like this upon 3 can be written like this. These are of multiplication, so they become power, Now this is log m minus log n, that is log m upon n. Now both sides are equal, both sides are having one term, both times are having the same log base. So naturally log can be cancelled by taking anti-log. So x raised to power 1.2, y raised to power 1/3 is equal to c. और अगर आप चाहें तो बोल सकते हैं स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x क्यूब रूट ऑफ y is equal to c. Okay, now please come to question number 7. Question number 17, they are saying value of x minus y minus z. Value of x is given, value of y is given, value of z is given. Now I am going to do it now at the side, but you will write this portion first. This is base 10, this is base 10, this is base 10, this is not base 10. So let me break it into the base 10 so that I will be able to understand what is there. Now this is log 4 base 2. Let us imagine this is equal to x. When I shift the 4 here, so naturally the log will become exponential. Now this is 2 raised to power 1. 4 का होता है 2 square and power multiply तो 2 raised to the power 2x. It is equal to base are same, value are same, so natural power will be same. 1 is equal to 2x, तो x is equal to 1/2. इसको आपने खास ख्याल रखना है, x is equal to 1/2. If you will not take x equal to 1/2, you will be not able to understand it. Understand? फिर सुन लीजिए. log 4 base 2 is equal to x, तो naturally 2 is equal to 4 shifted है 4 raised to power 3. 4 क्या होता है 2 square, तो ये हो जाएगा 2 की पावर 2x, ये है 2 की पावर 1. वैल्यू इज सेम, बेस आर सेम, तो पावर विल बी सेम. 1 is equal to 2x, तो x is equal to 1/2. राइट. नाउ गिवन x minus y minus z में आपको अपने क्वेश्चन पे x वैल्यू, y वैल्यू, z वैल्यू. फिर मुझे याद आया इस पोर्शन की वैल्यू क्या है 1/2 as it is, as it is, as it is. क्योंकि अब सबका बेस 10 है तो I had not written 10. Now this is 1/2, it become power 9 की पावर 1/2 यानी कि स्क्वायर रूट क्या होता है 3 as it is, as it is. फिर आपको पता है लॉगरिथम जो पॉजिटिव टर्म होती है दैट कम टू न्यूमरेटर, नेगेटिव टर्म्स कम टू द डिनोमिनेटर. आफ्टर दैट व्हेन यू गो फॉर द कटिंग यू कैन कट इन एनी मैनर, तो इट विल बी log 10. You can cancel this and it will become 0. 4 1 जा 4 30 जा 3 1 जा 3 10 जा. It is log 10 और वैल्यू आपको पता है log 10 की वैल्यू क्या होती है 1. फिर इसका सेकंड पार्ट था 13 रेज टू द पावर x माइनस y माइनस z, यानी कि 13 रेज टू द पावर दिस और इसकी वैल्यू क्या है 1 और एनीथिंग पावर 1 नो नीड टू राइट, तो 13 इज द आंसर. प्लीज लिसन इट. क्वेश्चन ये था इवैल्यूएट दिस. मैंने x की वैल्यू डाली, y की वैल्यू, z की वैल्यू. दिस इज बेस 10, दिस इज बेस 10, दिस इज बेस 10, दिस इज नॉट बेस 10. तो मैंने कहा लेट मी सिंपलीफाई एंड फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज दिस. तो आई हैड रिटन log 4 base 2 is equal to x. 4 shifted here, so 2 is equal to 4 raised to the power x, 2 raised to the power 1. Okay, 2 raised to the power 1. It is 4 यानी कि 2 square into x, that is 2 raised to the power 2x. Now value is same, base are same, so power will be same. 1 is equal to 2x. So next x is equal to 1/2. Now as it is, in place of this I had written 1/2 because I had already allotted as it is. Now this 1 upon 2 is in the multiplication become power और 9 की power 1 by 2 होता है 3 as it is as it is. After that this is the positive term, it will come to numerator. These are the negative terms that come to numerator. I remove the decimal by applying 0 and after that when go for cutting answer is log 10 और log 10 की वैल्यू होती है 1. फिर इन्होंने सेकंड पार्ट में पूछा 13 रेज़ टू पावर x minus y minus z. तो x minus y minus z का होता है 1 तो 13 रेज़ टू पावर 1 is 13 तो that is your answer. I hope you understand. Let us start question number 17. Now my dear student, question number 18. Question number 18 is log x base 15 root 5 is equal to 2 minus log x base 3 root 5. This is the minus I shifted here to the left side, so it becomes plus and 2 as it is. After that this is log m plus log n, so that is log m into n. 15 3 ja 45 root 5 root 5 5 45 5 ja 225 as it is as. Now this is the logarithmic form. We shift the base, it become exponential form. This is x square is 225, so x will be square root of 225 and you know in class 9 I think everybody know root 225 is 15, otherwise you can factorize in fact. Okay, x equal to 15. Again this is the question. I shift it here, so it become positive. This is log m plus log n, that is log m multiplied with n. On multiplication it is 225, this 2 is as it is. After that this x base shifted here, so it logarithmic form become exponential form. 225 is equal to x square, so x is equal to 15, that is your answer. Now question number 19, there are 3 parts. First part, log b base a, log c base b, log a base c. तो you know that log b base c का मतलब है log a upon log b, log b upon log c, log c upon log b. This log b cancel this log b, this log a cancel this log a, this log c cancel this log c, all get cancelled, so answer is 1. Again please listen, this is the question. You know that by formula जब आपके पास b और a होता है सेम टाइप का होता है, क्या होता है log of number upon log of base, log of number upon log of base, log of number upon log of base. And by chance numerator also contain log a, log b, log c, denominator also contain log a, log b, log c, so naturally what will happen, they will be cancelled and you will get 1 on b. Now come to the second part. They are saying log 3 base 8 divided by log 9 base. फिर वही पिछले वाला लॉजिक, log of number divided by log of base, log of number divided by log of base. This division become multiplication and it become reciprocal. log 9 numerator हो जाएगा, log 16 denominator हो जाएगा. Now 8 is 2 cube, 16 is 2 raised to power 4, 9 is 3 square, log 3 r. Now power come forward, power come forward, power come forward. Okay, so now power become multiply, this 3 here, this 2 here, this 4 here. After that log 2 log 2 log 3 log 3 get cancelled, so what is that, 3 2 is 6 upon 4, after cutting that is 3 upon 2. Again please listen, this is the question. I break it with the same way, log 8 upon log 3, log 16 upon log 9. This is the division, I convert into the multiplication by reciprocal. Now 8, 9, 16 are not the prime number, so I break them in the prime factors. Now power come to the multiplication, power come to multiplication, power come to the multiplication. After that what you find, log 2 log 2 log 3 log 3 get cancelled, 3 2 4 कटिंग करेंगे तो हो जाएगा 6 3 upon 2. So that is your answer of question number 19, second part. Let us start C part, yeah, third part. Now my dear student, third part of the question number 19. This is the question. Now this again different way, so let me break in the same way. Log of number upon log of base, log of number upon log of base, log of number upon log of base. And you know right from the 5th class, if any diffraction is in the denominator, it becomes reciprocal. So this 16 upon 25 becomes 25 upon 16. This 10 upon 100 becomes 100 upon 10. Logs are with all terms. Now let me go for the prime factorization. 8 can be written as 2 cube, 25 can be written as 5 square, 100 can be written as 10 square, log 10 log 5 as it is, and 60 can be written as 2 raised to power 4. तो नेचुरल सी बात है, this multiplication will come forward, this power will come forward, this power will come forward, this power will come forward, rest as it is. Now log 2 log 2 log 5 log 5 log 10 cancel. What is that? 3 2 2, and what is that? 1 4 1. Okay, so cutting only 3 will be left. That is the answer. I hope you understand. Any doubt please? Sure? समझ में आ गया आपको? नहीं करें? चेक. Now my dear student, question number 20, log a base m divided by log ab base m is equal to 1 plus log a base m. So let me break in the same base, log of number upon log of base, log of number upon log of base, log of number upon log of base, 1 as it is. फिर क्लास 5 से आपको पता है कि डिवीजन बिकम मल्टीप्लिकेशन, तो ये रेसिप्रोकल होता है, log m come to the denominator, log ab go to the numerator as it is. Now here this denominator is 1, so on taking action log a into 1 into log b upon 1 into log a. Here log m cancel, तो what is left? Log ab. What is left? और आपको पता है अलजेब्रा में log m प्लस log n का तो log m into n यानी कि log ab here, log ab here, log a here, log a here, तो LHS equal to RHS, hence again please listen, base are different, इसका a है, इसका ab है, इसका a है, तो what I do, और इसका base दिया ही है, तो मैंने कहा let me take as a same base, तो what I do, I write log of number, log of base, log of number, log of base, log of number, log of base, 1 को 1 upon 1 कर दिया, बिकॉज सारे फ्रैक्शन में निकाल, तो मैंने कहा आपके फ्रैक्शन बन जाए. नाउ यू नो फ्रॉम द 5th क्लास, अगर डिवीजन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं तो रेसिप्रोकल हो जाता है, यानी कि log ab come to numerator and log m come to the denominator, and by sum both are seen to get cancelled. What is left? Log ab. What is left? Log a. अब राइट हैंड साइड पे आते हैं बेटा, इस ये था 1 upon 1 log b upon log a, एलसीएम लिया 1 into log a, log a here multiply, log b here multiply, that is the answer. Now log a plus log b का था log ab upon log a as it is. Now LHS and RHS all contents are same, so hence this is 2 या hence 2. Now please come to this exercise, question number 21. This is mixed fraction. We never solve any question in the mixed fraction, so it becomes improper fraction 8 upon 3. Now this is the base under root 27. When we shift it here, so it becomes exponential from x equal to under root 27 raised to power 8 by 3. Now 27 क्या होता है 3 की पावर 3. अंडर रूट क्या पावर होता है पावर 1 upon 2, 8 upon 3 as it is. Now power get multiplied, तो 2 4 जा 3 3 जा, तो 3 raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 4 क्या होता है 81, तो that is your answer. I hope you understand. Any doubt? Sure? Check it. Now the last question. Now my dear, last question. 1 upon this, 1 upon this, 1 upon this. This is the question. I can't explain why this is that. That's the demand of the question. Now this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, and this is having the log base a, so let me write as the log a base a. This is the log base b, so I write log b base b. This is the log c, so I write log c base c. Reason is that if I am not going to take the base a, this will not join. If I will not take the base b, this will not join. If I will not take the base c, this will not join, because log का फॉर्मूला तभी लगता है log होता है, log m plus log n is equal to log mn, तभी होल्ड करता है जब तीनों का बेस ए. राइट नाउ दिस इज log a plus log b का log a b c, दिस इज log m plus log n, that is log m into n, log m plus log n, that is log m into n. So you are getting log a base a b c, log b base a b c, log c base a b. Now you know that when base are different, तो सेम बेस के लोग क्या करते हैं लॉग ऑफ नंबर अपॉन लॉग ऑफ दिस, लेकिन क्योंकि ऑलरेडी डिनोमिनेटर में है तो जो अपॉन वाला है न्यूमरेटर में आ गया। लॉग ऑफ नंबर अपॉन लॉग ऑफ बी, लेकिन ऑलरेडी डिनोमिनेटर में था तो न्यूमरेटर में आ गया। लॉग ऑफ नंबर अपॉन लॉग ऑफ सी, ऑलरेडी डिनोमिनेटर में था तो इट कम्स टू द न्यूमरेटर लॉग ए प्लस लॉग बी प्लस लॉग सी। नाउ हियर this is log a plus log b plus log c reason because denominator is common for all term. Now this is log n plus log n formula, that is log m into something, because jitni term hogi they will get multiplied in addition and they will subdivide on division. तो naturally log abc cancel, तो आंसर इस बार अगेन प्लीज सुन लीजिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बेस ए था, मुझे यहाँ बेस ए लेना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज देयर इज नो एनी सॉल्यूशन। तो आई राइट log a base, I write log b log, क्योंकि आपको पता है log a of a is 1, log of the same number and same base is 1. After that these are the having the different logs, one term, so let me write as the same log. तो what I do, I convert it into the same base, तो log abc upon log a, लेकिन अपॉन का log क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में था तो न्यूमरेटर में आ गया। ऐसे log abc upon log b, ये डिनोमिनेटर में था तो log b न्यूमरेटर में पहुंच गया। log abc upon log c, जो log c क्योंकि ये खुद डिनोमिनेटर में था तो कम टू द न्यूमरेटर। नाउ log abc is the common denominator, तो can be taken as common, तो log a plus log b plus log c। तो now this is log a into b into c, log cancel, तो abc log abc cancel, तो what is left? You know in cancellation we get 1, तो answer is 1। तो this is the end of the exercise. Tomorrow live class is there, so I am going to request you again ki please be punctual, be in the class, and please ask your doubts tomorrow. In the tomorrow live class I will take the doubts of the log. Till then, thank you, have a nice day, God bless.